Hello and welcome to Seven Sentinels. This is Grandmaster class and I'm Peter Simon with you. Today we are conducting reading session part C. Yes, now we are going to learn a lot of vocabulary. We have to recall the words and how they are going to be used in the OET reading. Yes, now we are going to learn how to use vocabulary very effectively to draw the answers. So how is that possible? How the vocabulary is simplified? Today we are only focusing on vocabulary. We'll take Jesham materials today. Or we can take the official materials. We'll take the official materials itself. So, official medicine. Yeah, we'll see those also. Okay, well, yes. So, I'm going to tell you how vocabulary is going to play a major role in your reading. Yeah. So, what are the words which prompt us? Okay. How to identify the vocabulary? That we'll see. Vocabulary is very, very important. So, we are focusing on vocabulary. Now, first let us start with question number 7. Go through this question. Only questions will follow. Okay. Only questions will follow. Take a snapshot. Yes. Study this question now. So, what are the words that we have to focus? So, from the question and 4 options. Question and the 4 options. So, what are the keywords? You have to find out. So, you have to find out one word from this one, the question, one word from A, one word from B, one word from C, one word from D. Yeah, you can write 0. So, this you can say number 7. What you can write like this one. So, 7. Number 7 and the word. Okay, like this you can write. Then A and the word. B and the word. C and the word. D and the word. Come on. Yes, participate. Participate. Identify from seventh question. Question word. What do you think is the most important word in the question? Someone write down. Yes, come on, participate. Question. What is the word which you think is the most important? Yeah, Yashodhara, very good. Okay. Now you check. Okay. You written the spelling of presence. After full stop, you should leave space. Yeah. Right. Come on, all of you, participate. Participate, all of you. Because this is very, very important. The same words will be returning to you time and again. Now, I'll give you the vocabulary. Okay. I will give you the vocabulary. Yes. The most important words here. The writer suggests that the potential for harm, potential is there for harm from asbestos is increased. So this is the dominating word here. Increased. Okay. The word increased. All right. So the word increase. We are learning vocabulary today. The screen will be filled with vocabulary. Okay. Be patient and learn. You are going to learn those things which nowhere else you can learn. You will learn all by yourself. This is called power play. Game changer. Game changer. Okay. So, next one. So, this is done. Increased. There is potential for harm from asbestos. It is increased by. Increased is the keyword. Potential for harm. Harm is there. Potential for harm is there. And that is increased by something. Yeah, now in A, What is the most important word in A? Come on, all of you. A. What is the most important word in A? Yes, activate. What is the word in A? A change in the manufacture method of manufacture. In this one, which is the most important word? Manisha, spelling mistake. And there is no need capital letter. There is no need for capital letter. So we have to bother everything seriously. Yeah. Which is the most important word here? Okay. Now, change. Change in what? In the method. Method of what? Manufacture. Manufacture is the most important word. A change for what? In the method. Method for what? Manufacture. So manufacture is the most important word. So if he's talking more about manufacture, yeah, manufacture is important. After that only change. Manufacture, method, then change. Okay? Third, change is the last option. Okay. So is he focusing on manufacture? That you have to see. Okay. So now we'll take the second word afterwards. First word we are taking. Okay. The next one. B. Now check it out. B. What is the word which is very important? What is the word which is important here? Yeah. So here it is manufacture, and here it is substances. The word is substances. Okay. Other substances, other materials. The word is other substances. Very important point here. Is he talking about manufacture? Is he talking about other substances? Next, in C. Now guess in C. What do you think is the most? Think very carefully now. It reacts with what? Other substances. You have to question there. Then only you will get the correct option. Why we are losing the marks is because of this only. You are not able to select what word is important. The word which is important is usage. The word which is important. Extensively what? Extensively used. So its usage is important. Extensively what? Other substance. Reacts what? Reacts with other substances. Change what? In method. Method of what? Of manufacture. Manufacture is the end word. It ends there. If you say change, then you'll ask what? Method. Method what? What? Then you'll say manufacture. So you'll go and end that word we want. The final word we want. When you say reacts, you said reacts. Reacts with what? Reacts with what? Other substances. So when other substances are there, reaction is there. Otherwise, there is no reaction, right? That's what you have to think. The next one, you said extensively. Extensively what? Extensively used. So usage is important here. Usage. Okay. How it is manufactured, how it is with other substances, how it is used, how it is manufactured, how it is manufactured, how it reacts with other substances, how is it with other substances, how it is used. It is okay. How it is with other substance, how it is manufactured, how it is used, how it is with other substances. So it reacts. How it is used. So used is the keyword. Next one. People are failing 4 or 5 times. Be careful. Now D. What is the most important word? B. D. I want one word. I want one word. I want one word. Come on, all of you. Check your luck. Can you guess the right word? Sandhya, recently. Recently what? Constructed. Constructed what? You should go to the final word. You should question. Change what? In the method. Method of what? Manufacture. So, like that. What? You have to question what? Okay. Reacts. Reacts what? With other substances. Extensively. Extensively what? Extensively used. Recently what? Constructed. Constructed what? Buildings. So buildings is the keyword. So these are the keywords that you have to listen very carefully. Okay, what is it talking about? What is it talking? Is it talking about the manufacture? Is it talking about other substances? Is it talking about the usage? Or is it talking about buildings? These are the 4 different words. These are the 4 different words. Okay. So you have to focus on these things. Other vocabularies will change, but these will not change. Almost always will be the same. Okay. So now let us go to the question. Paragraph. Yeah. So we'll go to the beginning. Your 7th question. First paragraph will go. Yeah. Now try to check those 4 words. What are the 4 words? You have to remember now. Okay. You have to remember the 4 words. Okay. First word is 5 words, sorry. The question word is increased. The question word is increased. This is the question word increased. Okay. And what are the 4 words? Can you recall? Remember. Now, memory also is very important here. Now, remember, what are the 4 words? So, in A, what is the word? What is the word in A? Okay. Manufacture. That is A. A is manufacture. B. B is what? Yeah. Okay. What is the word in B? Other substances. So, substances means materials. B is other substances. Now, let us go to C. What is the word in C? What is the word in C? C is recall. Recall. Usage. Okay. You have to remember these words like that. D. D is what? Buildings. Now, these are the 4 words that are given to us. These are the 4 words that are given to us. Now, focus on these things. Okay. Right. So, focus on these 4 different words. Now, let us study this question like this. So, from the question, we have got the word increased. And from part A, option A, we got manufacture. Then, from option B, we got the word substances. Option C, we got the word usage. And option D, we got the word buildings. Now, these 4 words, now you check. These 4 words, you check. Where are they? Okay. Where are they? You have to notice that. Manufacture. Manufacture. The word will not change, I told you. So, manufacture word is here. Okay. Manufacture word is here. Right. The next one. So, next one is substances. Next one is substances. Okay. Substances. What are the substances? Other substances. You remember, other substances. Other, remember the word other. Okay, substances means chemicals. Other is helping you to find out this word. So, substances means chemicals. Okay. Substances means chemicals. Next one, usage. Usage. Okay. Usage is here. Usage is here. We are going to learn vocabularies, I told you. Lot of vocabulary will give a learning. You will be learning lot of vocabulary. Okay. Now, next one, buildings. Buildings. Okay. He said he used both the words, building and homes. Okay, buildings and homes. Buildings and homes. So now try to identify these points. Try to identify these particular words. It will be very easy for you if you identify these words. Now check. Now check the words. Okay. Identify which is the right answer now. So you'll get the points. It is increased. The harm is increased. Harm is increased. Okay. Manufactured. The way it is manufactured. Okay. Asbestos is manufactured, no. There no material only. After 1975, there is no, right? So how these words, now we are going to bring this sentence here. We are going to bring them together, right? We are going to bring both of them together now. Yeah. So both of them I'm bringing forward for you. Yes. Yeah. Now check your answer. Think about the various options. Now eliminate and add them. Eliminate and add. Find out the answer now. What do you think is the answer? Yeah. Now who is ready to answer? Anybody? One of you. One of you can answer. So if you are ready to answer, let me know. Yeah. So Manisha, you want to answer? Okay. Manisha, first introduce yourself because I don't know you. So first introduce yourself, then afterwards you can start explanation. You can unmute, please. Yeah, Manisha, unmute. Are you ready? Manisha, are you ready? So I answer in the, okay, fine. Right, who wants to answer? Open the mic, I'll open the mic. Yeah, come on, regular students. All the regular students, come on. I'm waiting for you. Open up. Yeah, yeah. Sushmita, Sadia, Priscilla, Mani, Keval, Kaval, Grishma, Deep, with Jay Lakshmi. Yeah, all of you can. This is the place where you are facing problem. That is what I am going to show you now. How to overcome this problem. Yes, get along. Who wants to explain? Yeah, Yashodhara. Yes, Yashodhara, you can. Yes, Yashodhara.
Hello, sir. Lady.
Yes. Come on.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, of course. Come on.
Okay. I'm Yashodhara, registered nurse from Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
My answer is D.
Your answer is A. Okay.
D.
Why A is the right answer, you think?
No, D. My answer is D.
B.
Yes, D.
Your A, B. B for ball, right?
Dog.
Huh?
D for dog.
Okay. You are not very clear. Yeah, tell me once again, which is the right answer, you think?
D, sir.
D. D
Yeah.
for door. Okay. Delhi. Okay, come on. Explain. Why do you think D is the right answer? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, why do you think D is the right answer? Yeah, yeah, I came to know that you are facing difficulty, and I know that you are very serious. You are attending some of our sessions and participating in the programs. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's very nice. Yeah, Mira also told me about you that you have some requests. Okay, fine. Now tell me, what exactly? You said D is the right answer. Can you explain why D is the right answer?
In the end of the para, it's mentioned product made of stockpiled before this time remain in many homes.
Mm.
Indoor contaminated with fibers released from building materials,
Mm.
especially if they are damaged or crumbled.
Uh-huh. Okay, fine. So I am actually sorry to say D is not the right answer. I'll show you why. Okay, you said D is the right answer, but I'm going to, I told you D is not the right answer. Why? Because here, if you take here very carefully, yeah, now I'm showcasing this one. So I told this is not the right answer. Okay. But why it is not right answer, I'm going to explain you. The sentence is here. Building insulation red mark means danger zone. So here many people falter, make mistakes. Building insulation materials since 1975. So it is before 1975 and after 1975. So here there are two divisions. So since 1975, before 1975, that was different. And but after 1975, that means since 1975, should no longer contain asbestos. So its presence in recently constructed buildings is
Yeah.
totally a wrong answer.
Distracting.
Why it is wrong answer? Now listen to me. You can mute back. Okay. Now why it is wrong answer? If you see, right? Its presence no longer present. Okay. Recently means after 1975. Okay. After 1970, constructed means manufactured. Buildings. Okay, buildings constructed and insulation materials manufactured. So if they are manufactured and used, the buildings will contain. So its presence is not there. No presence. No presence. No longer. Presence means contain. If it is contained, it is present, but no longer. This word is wrong. Then if there is no presence of asbestos in the buildings, then how can you say the harm from asbestos will increase? So here everything is there, but in the passage it is contradicting. This is called contradiction. This is contradiction. No longer means not present anymore. When asbestos is not its, means asbestos. The presence of asbestos means contain asbestos. Its means asbestos, its presence. So contain asbestos. No longer contain means no longer present. Asbestos is no longer present. Means not at all present, means 0%. New buildings, there is no asbestos. It's prohibited. It's prohibited. So try to understand that. So how can you say D is the right answer? Because you say asbestos is increased by its present in recently constructed buildings. No, before 1975, asbestos was present, but there is a rule which came in 1975, and the rule says there is no more asbestos. No one should put asbestos in the buildings from now onwards. That means after 1975, asbestos is prohibited. Okay. So that means zero asbestos, means asbestos free buildings. Then how can you say the harm from asbestos is increased when there is no asbestos at all? Yeah. Now I will unmute you once again, Yashodhara.
Yes, sir, I got it. It's
You
clear.
are with a grandmaster class. This is the difference. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Everything is cracked open and put in front of you, and it proves that your answer is absolutely wrong because it's a contradiction.
Yes.
So you said its presence in recent, but there is not at all 0% asbestos. Then if there is no asbestos, how so read between the lines is the point here. Read between the lines. Okay, read between the lines. The secrets of finding the answer, okay, we learn in our grandmaster class only when you register with the classes. Okay, here I'm going to show you how to avoid the mistakes, but how to catch the right answer is a master stroke. Okay, so how to protect yourself, I'm telling you here. So do you agree with this? Now, can you tell me why this is wrong answer, Yashodhara? Now you have to tell me you are mistaken, but now you have to say why this is wrong answer. You have to train yourself now where you went wrong so that you can perfect your thoughts, idea, generation, reading between the lines. You will develop from the next time onwards. Come on. Yes, come on. Explain why earlier you made
mistake, and why now you understood? Come on, now tell me.
Yeah, in the option it says it's presence in recent construct building, but in the para they have clearly mentioned that after 1975 it should no longer contain asbestos. So I have missed that part. So I have chosen that D because of the last Indo-AR may become contaminated with fibers released like that line. Because of that sense, I chose answer D, but it was wrong.
Do you realize that you are in a hasty position? You are running. You are instead when you have to walk, you are running. That means you are hurry.
Yeah.
You are in a big hurry.
Yes.
So there is a chance for you to eliminate the option, but you did not understand that it is contradicting. Okay, it is contradicting. Now, what is contraindication? Contraindication, it's giving a contraindication. Here he's telling that it is present, but he's telling no longer present means absent. Means no longer contain means absent. So the words may be in a different way. The positive sentence presence and the negative sentence no longer present. First thing is you are trapped here because the word present is not there, number one. And then he used this positive sentence in a negative manner by saying no, no, no. That means he negated no contain, no longer contain means not present. Not present means absent. So you have to get the multi-dimensional impact. Present and not present. So it is a wrong answer. Right? Now, tell me very clearly, I am a 10th class student or a 5th class student. I don't know anything, but when you explain me, I can understand. I have no knowledge how to crack this question. You now know. Earlier you did not know, but you now know what is the right answer. Now explain me why this is wrong answer.
Because yeah, I explained already, right? That because it's in the option it says it presents, and in the para it says no longer contain asbestos after 1975. So I have mistaken it, and I feel now I think answer should be B.
No. That's end. Okay. We'll first thing we are bothered about eliminating D. Okay.
Yeah.
You said D is the right answer. So now is it the same or you are eliminating D?
Eliminating.
So this we are learning. Now you can mute back. So I am teaching you a new point. Elimination technique. Write down. Keval. Write down. Elimination technique. I'm teaching you the elimination technique. I don't teach 100 questions. I teach one question in a solid manner. So elimination technique. So all of you, do you know how to eliminate the answer? So here it is. The answer can be eliminated because of indications. Contra-indications means going against the option. So here it is telling presence, positive sentence. Presence is a positive sentence. Positive. But no is a negative. It's contra. Contain. So he will give you a synonym which will be confusing you. You will be thinking, focusing on presence means contain. Presence means contain. So answer is there. You will think, but you will miss no. No. So no contain means not present. So that is called a trap. The contraindication is he will give you a synonym and make you difficult. Make the question difficult. Number one, he will give you points and note down, Keval, note down. Afterwards, you can post. Okay. Number one, Keval, am I troubling you? I know you are crazy enough. Crazily obedient, I know. Keval, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Are you okay or are you upset with me?
No, sir, it's fine. I'm more than
Yeah, come on, write down. So here, how to identify the contraindication projected in the statement? Now the contraindication will be like this. Okay. He may negate the sentence. Negate. Negate. Negate means use the word no, not, never, nay, nil, none. Write down these words. Here no is there. In some other place, nil. Okay. So that is negating the word. Negating the word means if the sentence is positive, he will use a negative word. And if the sentence is negative, he will use a positive. Negating the negative will be positive. So the negative statement of negative is positive. So it is absent. It is not present. Try to understand this. So not present is equal to absent. So like that, anyway, he can play the game. Right. No, not, neither, nor. Yeah. So how to eliminate this is the point here. No, not, neither, nor, nay, none, nil, never. No, not, neither, nor, nay, none, nil, never. Okay. One more is there. What is that? Null, nil, null points, null. I don't exactly recall. Null, N-U-L-L, null. Just let me check it out. I got a little clarification I need. So what does Cambridge Dictionary say about the word none? Sorry, null. N-U-L-L, null. Null means having no legal force, null and void. Null means zero, no value, no. So null is right. I was just doubtful that, okay, but it is clarified. So another word is null. Yeah. So all these words, okay. So when they use these words, they become negative sentence. They become negative sentence. When these words are used, it becomes a negative sentence. So no longer is a negative sentence. Its presence in recently constructed, this is positive sentence. Presence is positive. Contain is the synonym. Contain is the synonym. Okay. He has used a synonym. So he is making you to think. Contain is a synonym. Now he is using synonyms. He can use the antonyms, he can use the opposites, he can use the meanings, he can use the paraphrases. There are many different things which you have to focus. There are many different things which you have to focus. One question I'll tell you, apply for every question. Now you tell me, you want me to explain 10 questions or you want me to explain solidly one question? If you want me to explain 10 questions, I cannot explain all these things. 100% of one question is enough, or just finding out and giving the answer like this easily. For me, it is very easy. I'm taking a lot of strain to explain many different things. Now give your judgment. Today is a judgment day for Indian subcontinent. So judgment day, elections declared. Okay. So now you want me one question with a solid explanation so that you can apply this for everything, or you want me 10 questions with a normal explanation like everyone does. Nobody is teaching reading normally. Now you tell me, you want one question or 10? 1 or 10? So 1 or 10, any one number you write. 1 or 10, you want one question or you want 10 questions? Now you understand the point. If you say, I will explain. If you say 1, I'll explain the details of everything so that you can apply these techniques. Or if you say 10, I'll just rush past with I'll teach the entire questions just fast. Come on, fast. Give your verdict, give your judgment fast. Don't be silent. Only 2 people have given judgment. What about the others? You don't want? So that means others are not participating. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Come on. So Tariq wants 10 questions. Good. I'll take the majority poll. So now we got the majority. 1 question. Yes. That's very good. Tariq, so I'm sorry. I'm not going with you. I'll give you 10 questions, but on some other day. Yeah. Because majority I have to see. 10 questions you try afterwards using this technique. This 1 point will be helpful to find all the questions. You will be very strong enough. Okay. I cannot give every day 1 fish. Instead of that one, I'll teach you fishing, how to catch 1 fish. Then every day you can catch 1 fish. That's it. Now, so the point here is, yeah, the contraindication. So agreement, the sentence is in agreement or a disagreement. Agreement or a disagreement. So this is very important. Okay. So agreement or a disagreement. You have to see that one. So the options based on, you have to say whether it is agreement or disagreement based on some points. Okay. Now, he may use different versions. Number 1, he will use the meanings or he will use the synonyms. He will use the meanings or he will use the synonyms or he will use the explanation or he will use the definition or he may use the opposites or he may use the antonyms. Okay. So he will use the meanings. He may use the synonyms. He may use the explanation. He may use the definition. He may use the opposite words. For example, I'll tell you what are these actually. Then you can identify very easily. Your mind should think very fast for this. Then next one, he may use the negation. So totally 7 points. 7 points in all. Yeah. So meaning, For example, meaning means what? Meaning means paraphrasing. A phrase. For example, simultaneously. Simultaneously. The meaning is in a phrase. So paraphrase. At the same time. At the same time. Now, this is the meaning. Now, synonym. Synonym. Now, what is the synonym, for example? Synonyms means almost same in meaning. Almost same in meaning, but not exactly the same. Now, if you say, for example, you'll take one word. What is that? Man. Man. Okay. So, synonym is human. Okay. As human or human being. Now, explanation means a detailed explanation he'll give. Right? The next one. Explanation. Straight. Straight. So, in a straight line. So, that is the explanation. The next one. Definition. Okay. Definition. Gravitation, for example. The definition means the force by which the earth pulls objects. That is the explanation. Definition. What is gravity? Gravitational force means the definition. The next one, opposites. Opposites means exactly opposite in meaning. For example, tall, short. Tall, short. Giant, dwarf. But antonyms are nearly opposite in meaning. So tall, short is the opposite, but a dwarf, okay, dwarf is the antonym. Negation, tall, not tall. So these are the varieties how he will indicate you contraindications. If you don't notice that word no, which is a negation, try to understand. Synonym he has used presence, contain, but he used negation along with that. Presence means contain. So meaning is the same. So you'll get trapped there and you'll not bother about no. Means presence means contain. No contain means no presence. Means it's absent. So opposite word is absent. He may change any word to anything. So be very careful how to eliminate using contraindication. Okay. So this is how you are going to eliminate a particular option. Okay. Many people say like this. Sir, I am very clear to something, but I have a doubt, sir. My B or D? B or D, I have confusion. A is not the answer, C is not the answer, I know, but B or D. So in this situation, what you can do is elimination technique. Many people say, how many of you thought like this one? Sir, I am confused between two options. How many of you are confused? Confusion. Confusion. You have a confusion between two options. If you are confused at least once or twice, say yes. If you are not confused, say no. So here is the point. So in this situation, what you can do is, you can use the elimination technique like this. Elimination technique like this. You have to be very clear. Yeah. Now, Sukhman says the answer is B. Okay. Sukhman says The answer is B. Wow, very good. Thank you, Sukman. I'm giving you mic now. Sukman, now unmute, please.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, Sukman. Are you from Punjab?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sukman Kaur. 1 minute. Okay. I have an option here. Before, let me conclude this one. So D is ruled out. Now, so yeah, D is the wrong answer. D is eliminated. D eliminated on this, in this angle, D is eliminated. Right. Full screen. D is the option D is eliminated. Okay. The technique is contra indication technique. Okay, what is applied? Negation plus synonym is applied to confuse the candidate. So that's why you have to be very careful. Now, Sukman, yeah. Now let me clear all these things. Now I'm giving you fresh board again. Now here is your chance. Yeah. Right. Sukman. Yes, now you have the mic with you. Sukman. Now you explain me why you think B is the right answer.
Yes, sir. Sir, C is the right answer.
No,
ma'am.
no. Earlier, let us stick on there. We are finding out some rule. Okay. Okay, you said B is the right answer. Now you are changing. No, we are in the past only now. We did not transform into future now. So let us stay in the past. Let us see why B you thought is the right answer.
Sir, actually little bit confusion. So
Okay, that is what I
now,
am telling you, how to avoid confusion. I'm teaching you how to avoid that confusion. You want to learn how to avoid that confusion. This you understood after explanation, maybe little or somebody answers something, but now originally your mind is there. If nobody helped or something like that, second thought is not there. You would have given B is the right answer. But tell me why you thought B is the right answer. What is the reason which confused you? We are trying to remove this confusion from your mind so that in the future you will not have this. You will not hang in the air. Come on. Why you thought B is the right answer?
sir, because other substances, sir, in paragraph, they are also talking about.
Yeah, in paragraph, they're also talking about. Again got muted. Sukman, unmute.
Sir, other substances they are talking about, but not they are discusses the way in which it reacts.
Okay.
So, sir, I move to C. And
No, we are not moving to C. Afterwards, we'll move to C. Anyhow, we are moving to C. Okay. But now let us stick on to B. We have to overcome that confusion. I want to clarify that one to everyone. Not only you, there will be many students who will get confusion. So we are learning the elimination technique. First, you did not eliminate, so that's why you got confused. But let us stick on to that one. Okay. So you said because substances is there.
yes,
Right.
sir.
Now tell me. Tell me. Substances is there. Very substances here.
Sir, actually, I go for keyword matching. In paragraph, they are also telling about the other substances.
Where he told about other substances, can you show me? I did not find out other substances. Where did he tell other substances? The word substances, other substances, where is there in the paragraph?
In fourth line,
Fourth line.
burn or under significant reactions with other chemicals.
So chemicals,
They
yeah,
are talking about
chemicals. Okay, fine. Now, I'm going to show you why you got confused and how you can avoid confusion in the future. So other, with, with. So you have seen these three words and you got confused, you got tricked,
Yes, sir.
you got trapped, right?
Yes, sir.
So with is with, other is other, and he used the synonym with substances with chemicals. So you got the thought this is the right answer, correct?
Yes, sir.
So, and also it, okay, react, reaction. So
Yes,
because
sir.
of this, okay,
Yes, sir.
right? So all the words are there, you thought, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it reacts. Yeah. Now it, we are learning how to eliminate this one. Reactions mean reacts. Okay. Undergo reactions means reacts. Fine. Undergo significant reactions. Significant means reacts. So that's it. So because of this you got reacts.
Yes.
Undergo reaction means reacts. Fine. We got it till there. The way it reacts. The way it reacts. Okay, fine. The way means the manner. The manner. Okay, the way. The way we can say significantly it reacts. Okay. Now here, is this a positive sentence or a negative sentence? Sukuman. Is this a positive sentence B or a negative sentence?
Sir, positive.
Very good. No need to confuse. No need to panic. It's okay. It's okay. We are learning. That's it. We are learning. Don't be worried. We make mistakes. That's not a problem. There is no harm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a positive sentence. You have done many, a lot of 90% you are right, only 10% you are wrong. So what is the problem? We are learning. You want to learn, right? That's it.
Yes, yes, sir.
We are learning. I'm showing you where you went wrong. Right. Now, if we exclude the other sentences, so I am eliminating, I am hiding the other parts, the danger zone. I am avoiding the danger zone. Now, if you eliminate these things, now you will find out some important thing where, how to overcome this. This is the sentence. Now, is this a sentence negative or positive, Sukuman? Can you tell me? This
Sir,
sentence. Read the sentence. Can you read the sentence?
positive.
This is positive. Okay, we understood. B is positive. But in the passage, this sentence, is it positive or negative? Come on. Is this sentence, can you read it properly now? Yeah, I think you are distracted. Somebody there work. Okay, fine. No problem. Now, this is a negative sentence. Why negative sentence? Because there is the word not. So it, okay, evaporate, dissolve, burn, or. This is not needed now. We don't want these things, so we'll hide this information. So, it does not undergo significant reactions with other chemicals. Not is there, so that's why this is negative sentence. So, it is contraindication. So, this is positive and this is negative. This is contraindication. So, it is telling that It does not react. Then how can you say it reacts? How can you
Sir,
say it reacts? So now is it clear, Sukuman?
yes, sir.
So are you able to understand what is contraindication?
Yes, sir.
So
Very
B
clearly.
is eliminated. B says the way it reacts with other substances, that means it reacts. But in the
Yes.
answer, in the passage, he says it does
Does
not
not.
react.
Yes, sir.
It does not react.
Yes,
When
sir.
it does not react, then how can the harm increase? Correct?
Yes, sir.
If it reacts, harm can increase. But it doesn't react only. There is no reaction. So where is the harm? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So B is eliminated. Do you understand how to eliminate B?
Yes, sir.
That Vasundhara had a problem, confusion with D and C, and you had problem with B and C, confusion. Correct? Next time, apply this technique. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So
Thank you,
this,
sir.
no problem. I have to explain you because many people will be watching on the YouTube every day. So it should be very clear for everyone. So this is eliminated. This is eliminated. Very good. Sushmita, not Dasi. Sushmita, yeah. Right. You can mute back. What's the name? You can mute back. Sukman. Right. Hide floating meeting controls. Function. Yeah, print a screen. Yeah. Yeah. The option B is eliminated. The option B is eliminated. Contra indication technique. Okay, contraindication technique. Negation is applied with alternative phrase. With alternative phrase. So it reacts, significant reaction, word is formed, word form, altered word form. That is react to reaction. That's it. So now anybody else who is option A or C? B is eliminated, D is eliminated. Now we have A and C. Anybody has the option A? Tell me. Otherwise, who will explain me this question now? Two options are remaining. Anybody else who wants to explain why A is the right answer or why C is the right answer? Come on. We are learning 100%. If we learn why this is right answer, it is only 25%. You want only 25% of analyzing the question. Okay? You have to learn 100%. Right. Who is that? Yes, Kaval. Very good. Kaval. Kaval can unmute. Dr. Kaval Iqbal.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's I chose C answer because in the first line it is said that asbestos is a naturally occurring mineral that has been linked to human lung disease. It's not a thing. It's other line is that it has been used in huge number of products due to its high tensile strength. So its use is more. It is used in huge number of products. So the in the C option, the fact that it is used so extensively, it means that the use is the thing that the answer. So I choose that C answer, and
You
I also eliminate the other answers, other options in the similar way that you said. So I think C is the right answer. That's
Oh,
all.
very good. Very good. Okay, now which line is your based on which line? You're thinking C is the right answer. Can you tell me which line? Line number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4? Where? Okay, line number 2. Okay, fine. Yeah, Kaval says line number 2. Yeah, we are going there. Now let us see. You have used the word used. It is used. It is used. It is used. Used. So now, so this is the sentence. So let us blind the other areas. Let us blind the danger zone where you should not go. So this sentence we can use and remaining we can eliminate. So elimination, 80% is eliminated, only 20%. From here you will think about the answer. Match this one now. Yeah. So here, used. 1 minute. Next one. It. It is used means now. It has been used for quite some time. It is used means it has been used. Yeah. Now, it has been is equal to is used. Okay. Right. Now, it has been used in a huge number of products. Huge number of products. Huge number of products. So what does this mean? Is this limited? Is this average? Is this less or average or more? More means extensively. Huge means great number. Extensively means huge. Okay. Extensively means huge. In large number of products, huge number of products. Okay. Huge number of products. So that is it. And the other areas are not that important. The other areas can be avoided. There is a reason why it is used. Okay, we don't want reason. It is used or not used is enough. So it has been used in a huge number of products. Okay, it has been used in a huge number of products. Why? Due to its high tensor. This is also not important. So leave all those things. So there is that answer in that particular 7 sentence word line words, 8 or 7 or 8 words. It has been used in a huge number of products, 10 to 11 words. There it is. Okay. Everything. Now let us see. This is positive. How to confirm that this is a correct one? They should match. They should match perfectly. This is a positive sentence. And this is also a positive sentence. There is no opposite, there is no antonym. Yeah, as it is, everything is matching. So this is the right answer. If you want the right answer, everything should match like this. One is not matching, no is not matching in the previous one, D, and not, okay, is in the answer option B, not. The word not in B and the word no, so they are showing contraindication. But here, C is positive and the passage, one line there is also positive. It has been used in a huge number of products, huge number, uncountable number of, limitless, countless. Okay. So, large number, huge number, more than 50%. That means very extensively, not minimally. Extensively means more than 50% or even 75 to 80%. So, everything is matching here. So it is, has been, used extensively, huge. So everything is matching. So C is the right answer. C is the right answer. Yeah. C is the right answer. C is the right answer. Okay. So this is how you come to the option. B is wrong. D is wrong. Yeah. So C is the right answer. He's not talking about any change in the method of manufacture. So this is how you have to analyze this question. What you have to do is, now I'll tell you how you are going to apply this technique. Where you have to apply this technique. Sir, in the exam, we don't have time to apply this technique. Yeah. Even when you are doing the test, don't apply all these techniques because you don't know. First, learn the techniques. How to apply. Before applying, you have to learn. How will you learn? I'm going to show you how you will learn now. Yeah. So this is confirmation technique. Confirmation technique. Confirmation technique. 100% concept matching strategies. 100% means everything is same here. That is equal to this. This is equal to that. 100% same. Then only you can confirm. Okay. So B is the, C is the right answer. Okay, fine. Yes. Come on. Now, what is your opinion? So many people have problems with this one. I'm going to tell you how you are going to deal with this particular question. Yes. So before that one, yeah, you can write your comments, what you learnt. What new things? I'll teach you how to apply this technique. Okay, how to learn this technique first. What new things did you learn in this session? How you'll apply these things, I'll tell you once you comment. I prepared the tea and I forgot. My goodness. Yeah. Any student who is interested, you can apply for the next batch. It is starting next Saturday. The present batch is full, finished yesterday. Yes, come on, all of you, give your valuable points. Cold coffee I'm drinking. Yeah, give your points. Because what you learned now you are going to apply. Eating water for coffee. Yes. So nobody has learned anything else? You don't have anything to write? Yeah, my water is hot. Yes, please write. 1 minute I'm giving you. Write down because I'm going to explain how you are going to. Thank you. Thank you, Yashodhara. Yashodhara, contact me. I told Meera to ask you to contact me. So you can contact me. And my number is here. I'm going to give you. If anybody is interested in serious sessions, you can contact me and maybe I'll be able to help you. So contact the admin. Yes, there it is. There are many other techniques which we have to learn. Once we learn this one, it will be very, very easy for us. Yeah, I've given you that number. So if any new student who have come for demo, you want admission, you can contact me. Because the more secrets, more examples we learn in personal sessions. Okay, just write down. So the next session will be locked session. So only the registered students can enter. Thanks for your effort. What, Sadia? Yes. So there are many students who are struggling 3-4 times writing and they don't even know why they are losing their mark. They get confused and they lose the exam. And then afterwards they'll waste their time, they try again, waste their time, try again, and still they don't know why they are doing mistakes, why they are not passing. They don't even know. So such people who are really serious, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, then I'll talk to you. So the next one. Grishma, then Keval, Nishant, Priscilla, Sadiat, and Sushmita, all the regular students. Okay, all the regular students, you can attend the next session where I'm going to discuss each and every question. We're going to spend 2 hours or 3 hours and we are going to discuss all the questions. If you're really interested, you can join. Okay, this is, I need not give all the explanations, but I will give you as many questions as possible. I'll give you because you have already used the previous questions and tested everything. Yeah, you join. This is personalized session for the regular students. So we will start that session after dinner, 10 minutes, not 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Now it is 22:06. So 20 minutes. So 10:30 we'll start. This is for only my children who have subscribed the classes. And this session will not be on the YouTube. These are the secrets. And don't expect, sir is putting on the YouTube. No, 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 no. I'm not putting everything on the YouTube. Okay. So these are only top secrets for our regular students. So registered students only can come with your name. Okay. Jayalakshmi, where is Jayalakshmi? Is she there? Jayalakshmi. Jayalakshmi. You have to come with your original names. Then only I will know. And the room will be locked and I will open the gate for you to join. Okay. So how many of you are ready? How many of you are ready for the big session? So the real regular session. This is an orientation session for the guests. That is for my children, my students. So all of you can join there. We'll meet. Yeah. See you the next session. We'll have our dinner and we'll sit. Yeah. So hello and welcome to Seven Sentinels, all the students who are on the YouTube, if you are really interested, yeah, to attend the special reading and listening sessions like this, intensive techniques. If you're really serious to clear with outstanding results, many students who got 400 plus. So if you're interested, then you can contact me personally and the number is +91 98 778 67360. Link will be the same, but it will be locked. I will permit you. Only the regular students. Thank you all.